get around, they wanna call me, they wanna hit me up so constantly. Always trying to take one step forward, keep going till I'm right where I wanna be. And we living life, nobody can tell me how to live it right. I've been keeping at it every single night. Started from the bottom, now we taking flight. But we used to fuck around in the nighttime. Used to feel like that shit was my lifeline. Yeah, we kept it cool, feeling so high. Young soul in the summertime. Used to think that I could never live without it.
Well, we got a mountain. Where's the fabric? Do you see it? How do you feel about that mountain in the driveway? You feel good about it? Oh, I'll ask you about that in a couple hours. Let's go see this. They dumped it in his driveway. Did not want this. It's gonna be fun. I already got some.
All by yourself.
Yeah. Brandon doing all the work again every day. I don't know what you're gonna do with these people. Crystal did it all? Oh, it looks good. Got all the fabric down. Put a dent in it. We're gonna do one section today, one section tomorrow. Oh, don't listen to her, she's lying. Putting a dent in it. Huge driveway full, guys.
One more thing?
Oh, that's good. Take half of it out today, we'll leave the other half for tomorrow. Got that done. That's good.
What I did here, I just put a little too much here. Because when we come back,
Got this side tomorrow. Let's go see how much we took out. Grab that cooler. See how much we took out. Quite a bit for a couple hours. 3 people. Quite a bit. Want to grab those shovels real quick, please? Yep. On to the next one.